So for those who have been following the video, this is the final step, and you get to this part. I told you I was going to take out the wig, but I don't know, I just felt like, girl, why are you taking it off? Just tomorrow is Sunday, wear it to church. Curl it tonight. I'm going to curl it tonight, heatless, and then you will see it tomorrow. I'll wear it to church. So I decided to take my own advice, and I fixed my leave out. Okay, so I fixed it. Now, if you're just joining, this video starts from two short videos away. So now I'll separate it. Ooh, this is exactly what I should have done yesterday. You see, it's small, but it covers. And so now when I flat iron it, please always remember that when you split it in the middle, you need to also focus on what's at the back. So there should be enough hair to go to the back. This is good. Okay. So normally, hi Harji. So normally the idea of making a center part and cornrows that come from the middle to the back is so that it's flat. And now that you fix your extra leave out and you did cornrows that went that way, even though they're cornrows, they're still going to be flat because they're tiny. Okay, so size matters. So now that I'm good, I'm going to the market. I have some of my threads showing, but I told you it's just market and probably church tomorrow. And I did it very fast because to me it's just, I thought it was just market hair, but then tomorrow is Sunday too. Okay, so should I flat iron it and come back and show you what it looks like? Or you already get the Rema? You already catch it. You already catch it. Catch it. Oh, to do that I have to turn off my lights. So if you're already enjoying my lights, I'm turning it off. Okay. I love this dress. Have you guys admired my dress enough already? The simple things in life are little black dress, which I wore last week, and little white dress, which I'm wearing today. Let me just fix my hair. Some people already know that the only thing I do with my iron is my hair. How? Look at all the signs. Look. Just be like this, which is moderate, which is manageable. Your own. I will not be liable for any accident or damages that you may incur or experience while using the methods that I share in this video. So I've done one side, but I'm not happy because I left this part out. So as you would notice, I tend to leave out my front of hair because I don't want any problem. I don't want to have an accident. So I don't do the front with the same energy that I used to do the back and other part. Always avoid your middle part. Okay, now that I've done one part with you guys, I need to go to my YouTube and do the other part with my lovely YouTube followers. Bye. It's just not easy to be doing videos on different platforms, but it's beautiful.